Alright, so hi guys. Um, I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. So yeah, I've just been really busy. Was just dealing with things, regarding my, Surface, etc. So, however, I am back. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to do a compound interest problem. So here we have a problem, and it says Michelle makes a bank deposit of $1,500 at 4.2% annual interest compounded monthly. Approximately how much money will be in Michelle's bank account in 3 years? Round to the nearest whole dollar. So, one of the things that we need to, we need to make sure we understand is that the annual, so the how do we say it? The compound interest formula compounded when it's compounded n times, right? Is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. And I want to go ahead and color code these in different colors. So give me a second, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys. So I went ahead and color coded it. So P is the principal amount. And and R is the rate as a decimal. And then N is the number of times compounded, so number of times compounded per year, I guess, if you think about it, because we always talk about in a year, right? And then the T value is the number of years, or the time in years, or the time in years. So now now here, so the thing here is, guys, sometimes with the n value, you can either have monthly, daily, weekly, or weekly. Now here, the principal amount is the amount that we're starting with. So we know that they made a deposit of $1,500. So that would be the principal amount, right? So P is 1,500, so we're gonna put that in here. So, and then and then for the rate, we know that the rate says 4.2%. However, you do not put 4.2%. You need to change it as a decimal. So always change rate to a decimal. So that's something we need to remember, guys. If you don't do that, your answer is going to be wrong. It's going to mess up your answer if you don't do that. Okay. So R is 4.2%. However, as a decimal, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left, and you will get 0.042. So R is 0.042, right, as a decimal. So we know that R is 0.042, so let's put that in here. And then N is the number of times compounded per year. So that is, so it's saying that it's compounded monthly, right? So monthly means, so N is monthly, and there's 12 months in 1 year. So N is equal to 12, right guys? So P is 1500, R is 0.042, and N is 12, right? And then T is the time in years, so they want to know how many, you know, basically in the last part of the problem, what will the amount be in 3 years? So it's the time in years, so T is equal to 3 here, because it's 3 years, right? So we want to go ahead and just make sure we understand that. So just to recap, this is A, this would be R equals 0.042, right, as a decimal, and then N is 12, right, and then T is equal to 3, right? So here we're gonna go ahead and, oh, and I'm sorry guys, it's P, not A, excuse me. So we're gonna plug everything in. So A is gonna equal, thus we have, or we get, A equals 1500, right? So 1500 times the quantity 1 plus, and then it's going to be 0.042 over 12, right? Raised to the 12 times 3 power, because it's, you know, again, T is equal to 3, so it would be 12 times 3 power. Now, if you plug this into the calculator, guys, this expression will be, and honestly, guys, since we're not necessarily solving an equation, all you would really have to do is plug this entire thing into the calculator. So A is approximately 17 or $1,701 dollars. So basically, to end the problem, guys, in 3 years, Michelle's bank account will have, or in 3 years, Michelle will have $1,701, or approximately $1,701 in her bank account. And that would be our answer, guys. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I know this is a really, hopefully it wasn't that bad of a problem. I don't want to do another one because I don't want to make the video too long, but I will make more videos on this topic regarding just doing either daily, weekly, or daily or weekly, and also, you know, just try to do as many problems or as many videos as I can over this topic, because I don't think I've done videos over this, and I will also do continuous compounding. So with that being said, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.